Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can remove sound pack for FiveM. The first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the installation path of your GTA 5 game. So to make things easier, you can simply search for GTA 5 on your search bar right here, and then you want to click on the open file location. In my case, it's already on my desktop, so I'll right click on it, open file location, and then we are inside the game files for our GTA 5 game. Look for the X64 folder and then navigate through audio. Click SFX, and basically you can just go ahead and download the default sound pack to any website that you wish. In my case, I'm using this two default sound packs right here. What you want to do is to just copy the sound packs, and then you want to paste it inside your official GTA 5 SFX folder, and then click the replace the files in its destination. The most important step on this part is to get the official audio pack for GTA 5. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.